Let's see if I can redo this tray I scored at Goodwill. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so this is the tray. I got it for $3.99. Got it less because it was half price day, but whatever. I sanded it down, wiped it down, and then I'm just covering all of it in a multi-purpose black paint. Make sure you get those inside of those handles too. Let it dry. Then I have this contact paper. I had gotten it from Walmart. Dollar Tree also has good contact paper as well. It's sticky on the back, obviously. And I cut it down so that it is somewhat the size of the inside. I make sure to cut 2-inch strips off of each edge of that so that we can do the sides, and then we're going to do the inside. Now, don't get too crazy about cutting it perfectly because we're going to trim it after with our X-Acto knife. So we're going to put this on, and I only take a little piece of the backer off just so we can get that little part adhered. If you do it the other way, it's just so much contact paper that you're going to have it like sticking to everything. It's just a pain in the tushy, and I'm just going to save you some irritation. And then I'm using just a little scraper, and I'm just making sure I adhere it all the way down, and I make sure there are no bubbles or lumps or bumps. This is just a scraper that has felt put on the end. It's nothing crazy. All right, and then as mentioned, I just take whatever excess was on there, I just cut it off with my X-Acto knife. And I'm just going in that corner, and then I just peel off the excess. Ta-da! Now you can stop right here. Like, hello, this is super pretty, right? I like it. I think it's super pretty. But you know, I can't stop there. So I have 2-inch strips, and I'm going to match up the design to the bottom, okay? So that's what I'm doing here. And I do this for all 4 sides, obviously. I'm just doing the inside, though. And I do it this very similar way. I just match up our design and then make sure it's adhered. And then whatever excess, I'm cutting off with my X-Acto knife. I'm telling you, a nice sharp X-Acto knife is worth its weight in gold. No lie. And I also then went around and cut the opening for the handles, which was oddly satisfying with my sharp X-Acto knife. But yeah, I just went and I just followed the edge. That's all I did. Just make sure that your X-Acto knife stays nice and flat against your the handle part, and then just go all the way around. Easy peasy. It was, when you get it just right, it's really smooth. And if you're into ASMR and you're sensory spicy like I am, it is awesome. But anyway, so you could stop right there, but you know I can't because I love the distress vibe. So I went and I sanded everything. Now, I know some of you are like, you just ruined it. No, I like it. I think it's cool. I love that the blue is starting to pop through, and then the other parts with the wood. I think it looks really cool. Again, though, if this isn't your vibe, don't do that. If you could find a tray like I did at Goodwill. But anyways, look at how cool. All this to say is if you find something dirt cheap, but you don't like the pattern, it's okay. We can do that, right? It's this structure that we're dealing with. We can deal with the cosmetics on the outside. Look how pretty. And then I put my cute little jars. Stay tuned for those. I'm going to show you how I made them. They're so easy, and they're perfect for spring and for Valentine's Day, or any day for that matter. But anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.